YouTube. Yo, what's good YouTube? This is your boy Brothers Let's Go Dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, so guys, as you can see, we're reporting live from Las Vegas, from Masvingo, and we're reporting live from Justify Airbnbs. I'm making another zita, but for now, it's Justified so Airbnbs. So guys, basically what's gonna be happening in today's vlog is I told you guys that you understand. So basically what's gonna be happening is the program is gonna be happening the following day. So for now, I think we're just gonna have to go in Las Vegas town, withdraw some money ku hello paisa, you know, dzimwe mari asadza yasosvika, you understand, and dzikusendwa sendwa nekwa dziri kubva, you understand. So yeah, and if I go to town and then maybe cows, I'll keep you guys posted, maybe in groceries and stuff, you understand. I'll keep you guys posted and I'll be showing you whatever which is happening and everything which is taking place, understand. And I think I have to take this opportunity also to take my license, because I have the provision now. I don't have the Zimbabwe license, please. Because the judge blah blah blah. South Africa on drive and chitupa passport. So I was using my passport to buy other things. So yeah, I think I carried my provision now. I think I'm gonna use this opportunity. I mean, they're gonna come to listen one or two. They don't open up my drums. I don't know if it's gonna be that easy or if they're gonna need some man. But if they're gonna need some man, they're gonna make me run broke when I was. That way also say my room to Las Vegas, and I won't have any man. So you guys, basically what's gonna be happening is I'm gonna bed this bed. As you can see, it's a very nice bed. I'm gonna spray the beds and then I'll just quickly clean myself. I don't want to buy this very cold because it's flu, understand. So I'll just wipe and then I'll wear the clothes for the day. I'm gonna show you the OTD, the outfit of the day, and I'm gonna bed the bed and then yeah, we go together to about shika here in Las Vegas. Now I'm going to because Dombo so that you understand. So let's spray the bed and then we'll see what's popping. Tango. Okay, so the OTD is as you can see, the new socks is I bought 3 pairs of some socks in here. Hey guys, magona chivarangozi changu. But anyway, this is the OTD. I bought my pairs of socks is my new one because in the city when I go pick my socks rasa and this is the wash, you understand. So mama my Crocs. Let me close this one. Okay, so the OOTD is gonna be this brand new tees from South. Obvious, you know what I'm saying, Mr. Price, the plug, shout out to it. And then this brand new short, obvious, also as well. You understand? You understand? And also guys, I think we need to go and buy some suit. Oh, my details. Yeah, there's the provisional. So yeah, let's see what I can do and how it goes. And this is what I use for my beautiful and then some skin. Use this one. It's nice, especially if you got oily skin. It's nice. This is my toothpaste nyana. And yeah, the soap. Get my towel. Small towel for small boys. Tutti brabra. And this is my soap. Yangeka total the same, but it's proudly sponsored by Tito. So you guys, let's spray the bed and see what's popping. Tango. So you guys, as you can see, that's the best that I could do. You understand? That's the best that I could do. It's done. So yeah, now let's get ready and go. So you guys, I'm done bathing. The beds of the man, and now we're getting ready. We're getting ready. Yo guys, I really need to hit the gym again because what's this now? I'm being finished now. Tell me what's popping, Las Vegas people, Mashingo people. Tell me what's going on here. Take me out, man. Okay, so now let's rest. Let me take my camera here. Okay, all right. varume, gents, hakwa. Hakwa ngadziswe rolonisi. Unofamba muchinhuhwira vanhu. Yarasema. Mkano ngamukweshwa. Okay. 1 2. Can you feel me there? So, OOTD, baba. For my past 3 videos, I've been wearing new stuff. If you noticed, removing the tags and wearing. Work hard. Just retell. Go run it up, man. You deal with inspirations. I'm telling you. Nation that make a suit to that. Watch me out. Watch my ads so that I will reach there. Okay. Oh. Ouch. Yeah. This is nice. I know, right? Yeah, I know. So it's like in, what do you call it, an outfit? Okay, so we done now. I'm gonna show you the full OOTD. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, it's windy, but yeah guys, tapedza. Now I'm on my way. No one shika. Boys, motor man, please watch my ear so that I'll buy the car. So now I'm going to the town, and this is OOTD. I'll get the cameraman to take me. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned. You want the vlog to the end, don't skip the end. So winner. So yeah, let's go. So guys, I'm at the bus stop, baba, as you can see. Now I'm here to na kombi jet. Mashingo. Madi.
Zvakutarisa. Hatiti inodarika mbichana 70 by 70. 70 by 70.
Sema na ndatura mari hapa ilopaisa. And then I'm remember. So guys, now I wanna book a lesson in driving school, and then turn out Ragamira say my bad. And then turn out Ragamira say. So make sure you stay tuned to watch the video to the end. You like, comment, share, subscribe. James Canada also. Alright. Menya mwana yakasisa. So man, make sure you stay tuned. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned. That's so many things ndebele. Nyama kutandebele summit. Nyama kutandebele summit. So man, dawene mu chicken slice. Zara china zake ndiro zvakudaro. Yaba yatoya udya zvona. Do many days already. So yeah, man, make sure you stay tuned, like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more local and other stuff. The weather was so fast, that was so quicker than Shagatka Nesuru, but I think it's because of Panama bus busy. That was so quick. So, Yakaska boy, Andiga. Yakaski, that is. Go around the Shishka. Yeah? This one looks so fresh than atakapo is really kuguma. So I'm stay tuned. I'll show you what's popping. Hands are looking my lessons in my ora provisional. Provisional is $20. You book at $20 to trap Venus provisional. Akaroma ora was don't bother. Anga pesa, anga twasu. So here's a first lesson. Torabina first lesson as, and then yeah, Torada's the first lesson. So I'm gonna make sure stay tuned. I hope you're enjoying the vlog. Alright, sharp. So yeah, that's the driving school that I'm using here. As you can see. So naida vanangu pinda tutorial lessons mangwana. Unfortunately kanza shkwani sike, but ati anotanga wana driving yangu kutoka so pilo skwera mangwana leo namse Friday. Anyways, stay tuned. I hope you're enjoying this. So this is the car. Masmo small manyo on the Rwanda kata side. Kuoka handbrake. Which one is this one? But I still instructor nikani ma brake yake uto tikana mana ku board offside ansika ma brakes. I didn't know about that. Katsika kuno ma brakes actually anobatsika futu. As you can see the movement there. Live. Okay. Anyways guys, make sure you stay tuned and you watch to the end. Let's get it. Thank you. So as you can see, I'm the one who's on the wheel now. So the visa boost was my push. I'm going to understand. So I for grip. And also don't need to take socks. I don't know if I'm the only person under this. We're gonna boost the chair. Then also visa boost. Then also say. Then also take. As you can see, we out here in Las Vegas. So yeah, that's the driving school that I'm using. This one. So yeah, I'll tell you how it goes. I'll tell you if the cars. I'm gonna recommend it. Kana chingenda wana performance ye motor nini kuzakamira say. But yeah, stay tuned and see what's happening. Down. Alright, good, come on. Alright, sharp. So man, the pizza. And the pizza. So now I'm going back to the offices. I just finished doing the lesson. I'm tired, bro. 1 hour of driving. It's like driving to Murewa. Hour is driving too. But anyways, now let me go and take the search more from office. Go when I charge you. Let's hope I will find them there. So yeah, let's go and see what's popping. Peace out. So as you can see, the driving school office here. So you guys, the pizza listen dani menya yengwana. So just make sure you stay tuned, you watch the vlog to the end, you like, comment, you share and you subscribe. I'm no Buddha. Name Menya one yaga sisa. I was taking a vlog. Mbafa. Arpa wanted. Tutomus sisa. Arpa wanted. Samana. Get charged by sinners. Chatanga di makacho zaidi. So masina jina kuku as you can see. So anachana cha kitu cha bura. Unfortunately you can't kill them. So the trash two makacho zaidi sugar. And stuff. Huh? amana nyaya yekumagadhi, nyaya yekufarisa, nyaya yekufarisa wanotambira ma-US vanombotambira mari kuonewa. Imagine man, unfortunately ndokwanisa kukurekodherai but handisana gadhi washona hanzoshamari ndepa vari kuita ndatofoka pamwe ndaba kende wazviona iwo vanonga kuzviona ke hanzi handibvumidzwa kurekodha video yamana, so it pissed me off. Unfortunately achatenge masina achine momo ndatobuda imomo haatoziva kana kuti YouTube yachona achiita zama mutsanangura kuti content kuti content chii ichocho zvakamboitika kupi ndaamudzwa shamari iyo asati bvumidzwa kuti tinongochita mune mamashops ese wana katotangotozunzwa muno munhu azvibvumidzwa masvingo muno. So yamana unfortunately tizava tasiyana nazvo, you understand, zvekutenga grocery achita tozisiya tichazozviona patime pachika pinotera mune mamashops amunondapi mune Pick and Pay amana taakutozozviona time for now agetomboita zvinhu zvitovhara amana apa ndo panoenda macriminals mbavha dzaitongo yanga chichizakamira apa ndo paunofarira kuendewo vanhu vanoba iye andozikana imbavha yemombe nezvifuyo ndomazvikaza macustomers. So mana tapinda mushikashika ndinoonditira message tapindira mumushikashika takananga saka pamberi papinda vanhu tukuda papinda munhu apa saka 3 vanhu vanga kumberi kwasara driver amana kana mazogara shande mutenge mota mano zvatechitwa mushikashika kuita kusangweji kwa glowing baba ndakatasa zona zomboglowa zvinhu zvekuti ndachigara chikoglowa so ina zamana rapindira. This is Francisco Apiri kumashure kwangu primary school ndipo kadzidza panodzidza na vangu daro turbo. So yeah mana, stay tuned guys. Ndafara ndaona ice cream ndakuita kuinzwa hwema hwayo amai vangu achindiye kuna mamapota pandakuinzwa hwema hwayo nyangu kwairi kwesindoinzwa adi zvirise pana mune maflavors api ndoda muchocolate mari madola 41 madola 11 tone zvadzakaita zvikuita dola 11 izvo tone zvadzakaita zvaona zvadzakaita zvira dola 11 zvakaita zizvo
unoda chocolate unoda caramel
chocolate
asi caramel inake vanhu vangu ngoiramba haisi caramel chaichayo yakana yarambwa namai ava haisiyo chaichayo neshamari iyi rodi ndo yanga ichitiburitsira apa imwe adedoko rodi exeri but taida kubvara kevha nayo ndiyo iyi maita bo samana ndatenga ice cream yangu yamai vatenga yava koma muchindipikisa vano ndiyo manamapoto vemapoto wawanzwa kupiwo ini ndakunzwa ini ice cream chero ndakarara ndotozwa kuti airibhera nderemapoto ere nderemapoto ere ndere ice cream ndakutofemerwa. I think ice cream inofanira kundiso brand ambassador unosveda na kundisainisawo chidhiri unyepe I think apakafanira kundifenza because mutengera kuita ice cream ka samana ndapedza unobvisa macows mana geludze chokwata mana. The truth is I came here kuzotora lessons rangu unozoti nezoti vanhu ndakavaudza kuti ndikuya kunozotora lessons they don't care, so ndakavaudza kuti ndikuyozorora ka vaiona samana vanoda masini ya second successful praying ndakavapraying kuti akutogara South Africa ndarelocata kuSA ndakavaprayinga chii chandakaprayinga yekumasvingo yatotuma prayings ka kwasara ichi3 but next time pachapinda mudambudziko those people they're not gonna believe me. Do you know that? Vanenge vachiti no asi mugermany iri but ine zamana ibereka. Thank you for watching the vlog to the end. If you have enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, share and what?
Subscribe.
But imenya mana pandiko ndakangorora menya but wakanyanya kupfupika mbono ona pa unosvikira cha apa musana fara unosvikira muno nengo atochidhoma cha
musana anorebera chi
Nengo wato chitokoloshi.
Have a reason.
But zviri gay kureba musikana. Zviri wrong. Very wrong. Kai mufamba makaenzana mukomana nemusikana makaenzana.
Aiwa, unotaka wako anenge akareba.
Apa tiwo kaita kadoka aitika kunga. Uzona. Kasvika muno.
Aiwa, iwe wako anofana kusvikana umu.
Umu.
Ndo anofana kusvikana.
Azvigoneta tofamba nechitokoloshi. Nechidhoma. So mana. But kamenya mana, uyemurode kumasvingo mana. Uyu mwana enda totomposta pa Facebook marketplace. She's been single for 25 years. Since she was born. Since she was born, she's been single. Anyway guys, I thank you for watching the vlog to the end. Make sure you watch the next vlog and next vlog the rest change muno mashingo. Maybe particular lessons I think I have to vlog andika. I know kuti tutori tsoka lessons zero maybe you go celebrate lessons then java nango baranza vlog rone vlog rekudzokera kwara. I'm not scared. And I'll see if I'm gonna give them another vlogs. So thank you guys for watching. Keep on subscribing. Keep on being dumb. I'm si dumb man, but ndiri baba wenyu. One munhu anokuti the only black man, the only black Zimbabwean guy who teach Zimbabweans how to mind their own damn business. It's me. Anyways, ndokudai mese nehama dzenyu. Ndakuzwa nuchi. Hapana. Ari kupfupike mfano wangu washaya kana mashoko mairi matatu ra.
Ai, ndotara kuti.
Anyways, atikaswere chipikisana newe. Hanza atipikisana na pfupi abasvikire pa points. So, aiwa musvikire pa points. Points enyani kakadai so. Plus mimi mtori ne hasha, mimi mutungu makatongozara mune hasha dzekusareba kudzara. Saka kupikisana nemi it's a waste of business. Waste of time this.
Waste of time.
But anyways guys, I'm out here in Las Vegas as you can see masvingo akatonaka kutoraka some places dziri maharayi una chitubu inongosaizwa zvayo ine mabhebha akanaka ine dzimba dzakanaka but inenge chingosaizwa nevanhu. Anyways ndana Jara Stafarai wani munhu ane maAirbnb masvingo saka muri kusponsa bonde kamasvingo muri kuzwa musasi
kainado kana angu akanza zimakwikizo kazona angu azimakwikizo ndema content creators azinyo kana usiri comment creator bar tight
asi vamwe komanje musikana anoshanda kupa vanhu zvipepa zvenhingirima munoti chinaye because ndo kubasa kwake unoketa wamwena parenge pa inonzi chikato wamwena billboard ripo
remakondomu
ndiye musikana aripo pa billboard ripa rengiko ari azopa makondomu saka hanzi ndipo mari ndandokubasa kwakwe
Unoenda kupa referral slip.
Referral slip ndiye chiyoti mchingonga angu kupa mapepa chete zvakangonaka so amana
amona prize
usungisa mjeri nemhenya yangu ndinaye. Anyways amana, thank you for watching the vlog today. Harina kupera because takwenda kubine fast ndoenda kucafe kwa fast
but my experience
joko arishaperere
where is the collaboration
kucafe
cafe because it's so far like that equipment did atina izvo
manje Las Vegas kunoko vanhu ane basa nema Xbox neshi kunoko Las Vegas kunoko vanhu ane basa nema Xbox kana unene Melissa iskani useko na Melissa indawo kunaka deso nduma badize kunoka Joan do pizza
zvatoneta
yeah zvakaneta amana ndikaona mota iyi ndofunga Dexter pakapa out here Las Vegas ndokuyeuka iri kuno takuya 1 manero
kuna kwenzi
ku ghetto sama tiri ku west ghetto ku west but kutori cool kwatonaka kudari kwachitungwiza ndikuna na order efiri dzinene chitungwiza ameno chinguruchi ameno inzvimbo yakangodara mana takupinda mchisekona Justifarai mhenya yemwana yakudzokera padheni sei audzo mafanzi angu doti kana mhenya yandaida kuyozorora ndazofunga mukadzi mutsiku akasaba anoroya saka ndichada shamari iwo tsvaga ako angafambidzana newe ini vakadzi vatsiku handivafarire samana bad guys vanoroya kana kuba Justifarai muda kuzwa nusisha pavlog apo kuti chi
condom
upesa akazara bota neonde musoro make ene zvamana ndokudai mesa mana. Thank you for watching the vlog. Pasina yakanyanya achaenda kukafe kwadaida kuenda makisa shaika saka hapana kana pane zvimwe zviripo we will just show you. I'll keep on showing you, but pasina kanyanya ndokuda imesa mana. Wait for the big vlog tomorrow. And pasina big vlog ndakuza kuti prank. Mangwana I'm gonna take my lessons and then I'll show you the last vlog celebrating my lessons. I told you all, obvious I'm gonna pass, and then the vlog I'm gonna combine it and join it. So yeah guys, I love you all. Next time, mind your own business, mind your own damn fucking business, mind your fucking business. Thank you.